Welcome to the new Rapport experience. We've redesigned the platform from the ground up with one clear goal in mind: to make your creative workflows smoother, faster, and easier to use. Right from the first screen, you'll see a cleaner layout that makes getting started simple. Whether you're brand new or already familiar with Rapport, onboarding is quicker and more straightforward. Starting a project is now faster and more intuitive, helping you move from idea to action with fewer clicks and less guesswork. Choose your character. Select your language. Pick your voice. Pick the AI engine that powers your character. This is your personalization hub, designed to give you full creative control from the start. Tailor your setup to suit your audience, storytelling style, or even training goals. With its flexible configuration options, we've also reworked navigation to make everything easier to find. With a clearer structure and smarter menus, you can stay focused and in the flow.
Rapport isn't just a creation tool. It's a powerful platform for delivering dynamic, interactive experiences across training, education, marketing, and more, all designed to improve customer experience and engagement.
This isn't just a visual refresh. It's a better, more thoughtful Rapport made for creators, teams, and storytellers who want to spend less time on tools and more time making great work. The new Rapport is here. Jump in and see the difference.